Question says, in which of the following changes there are transfer of 5 electrons are there? 5 electrons. In these equations, you have to calculate the oxidation number of elements and then find out the difference in oxidation numbers. Okay, it will give us the transfer of electron. Okay, let's calculate the oxidation numbers one by one. We have in the A option we have MnO4. MnO4 minus is there, and this is what Mn2 plus is there. Mn2 plus is there. Okay, in this case we can calculate. This is Mn. 4 oxygen is what minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is there. Mn minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Then manganese will be what? Minus 1 plus 8 is equal to what? Plus 7. Manganese is present in plus 7 oxidation numbers. Other side it is present in plus 2 oxidation numbers. Now you can compare. Difference in oxidation number is what? 5 electron. Difference means we always subtract a small value from the large value. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 electron. We got the first option. If you want to do for the second option, you can see CrO4 2 minus. It should be 2 minus exactly. Okay, you can check it. So in this case CrO4 2 minus is there. Okay, so Cr plus 4 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? Minus 2. Okay, is equal to overall charge is what? Minus 2. Okay, Cr minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Then we have Cr is equal to minus 2 plus 8 is equal to plus 6. You can see chromium is present in plus 6 oxidation number. Other side it is present in plus 3 oxidation number. Difference in oxidation number is what? 3 electron. Then it is not correct option. Okay, if you calculate for the C option, MnO4 2 minus. Okay, so 4 2 is 8 minus 2 is there. It is present in plus 6 oxidation numbers. Other side it is present in plus 2 oxidation number. Difference in oxidation number is what? 6 minus 2 is equal to what? 4 electron. Then it is also not correct option. Okay, if I go for Cr2O7 2 minus is there, so it is what? 2Cr plus 7 bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is there. Then 2Cr minus 14 is equal to minus 2. Then 2Cr is equal to minus 2 plus 14 is there. It will give plus 12 is there. 2Cr is there. Cr will give us plus 6 oxidation number. In this case Cr is present in plus 6. Other side it is present in plus 3. Difference in oxidation number is what? Difference in oxidation numbers 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 electron. Okay, so in this case 5 electron transfer, in this case 3 electron transfer, in this case 4 electron transfer, in this case 3 electron transfer. Then we get the correct option, that is first option.